Diana playing with 4 personal fouls. Fakes the handoff, goes inside against Marquez, carves out space, and gets the 2 points.
And every time you've got that single
ball in this game. Panganiban attacking the smaller Jello Razon, sidestep to the right. That's a beautiful finish coming from Nico Panganiban.
And Nico Panganiban read that perfect. Trying to go under that screen, tried to recover, but that attack right through to finish off that glass.
Of course, Commissioner Kenneth Duremde sporting our all-star jacket. Ganda ng design ng all-star jacket, ano?
Kasi nga sa Espanya, meron rin tayo.
Sana. It's a shot for Olegario. That's short. He now entered the twilight zone. The final 2 minutes of this one brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending GameX.
On the side of Philip. If that pass went through, that would have been a free lane for Orlan Omar.
Omar scoring only his 5th point of the match after he top scored for the night. Senator Jinggoy Estrada a try, and Olivares College Gym, they lost by 2 to Davao, and Teo Olegario.
The challenge of San Juan Knights to go for gold was unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful challenge para kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada and the San Juan Knights. Let's take a look at what happened. Olegario there. Olegario missed.
And that door is open for San Juan to bridge a little gap here.
1 for 2. Feeding the break for the Knights. Omar fakes the 3. Goes up for the shot. Nope. Malonzo gets the offensive rebound. Puts back the 2 points. That is 7 out of 18. Omar, he has been consistent in the clutch all season long for San Juan. Kicks it out. Malonzo. Floater no good. Gets his own miss. Puts it back up. The offensive rebounding. The second chance opportunities para kay Mike Malonzo have been the driving.
This time around went baseline on that little floater. Got the offensive rebound and a putback for another deuce para dito sa San Juan Knights.
Manlor with him. Sarao receives the basketball. There's a screen by Manalang. Razon has it. Fade away. Corner pocket. 3 is down and through para kay Jello Razon.
And wow, what a play by Jello Razon.
Jello Razon off of that handoff. That is not an easy move to make.
Right.
Plus the shot falling away on the right side. Just let's listen in to Senator Jinggoy Estrada and Coach Nani Pudulan.
Baka may steal doon sila. Papaul din naman eh.
Both to spread the floor.
Parañaque needs a stop here. Marquez is stippled deep. That's a steal by Manalang. A chance to force overtime or win this game for the Parañaque Patriots. Razon has it. He still has. Puts up the shot. Forced it. No good. The battle for the loose ball ends up with Mike Malonzo.
Oh, you gotta miss your second now. Not allow for that.
Malonzo misses it as well. The heave from Manalang.